welcome back to the channel here today. My wife and I are out and about, cruising before we have to go pick up the kids. Let's go on the road on intro, and I'm going to tell you why I have ditched the GoPro 8 Media Mod. Roll it. I'm not sure you guys have seen lately, I have not had the big contraption that is the GoPro Media Mod on the front of my face in a long time. Today I'm going to tell you why exactly I don't use it anymore. So the first reason I don't use it anymore is I don't have as much control over my audio. As you can see, I have my Tascam, which is tucked safely in my pocket here. And the GoPro just doesn't have the ability to really cut out some of the sound that I need it to. My helmets can be a little noisier. I need them to be able to cut out some of that wind. The problem with trying to cut out that wind in post is it will typically make my bike sound weird. It might make my voice sound weird, and I kind of don't have a natural tone to it. So that's the first kind of portion of the reason why. And the second reason why is I really like my Sony microphones. They allow me to record in stereo, and if I was to put this microphone into the GoPro or the Media Mod, I'm just going to get popping and crackling all day, and it's just annoying. Now there are people out there who have had good success with the Panda mic and the Squid along with their GoPros and things along those natures, and they sound fine. But for me personally, I just don't care for the lack of control that the Media Mod offered me for my audio input. Kind of, I don't frown, it's just I don't necessarily agree with hiring an editor. Now, I understand if your channel is that busy and you're trying to pump out that many videos and you just don't have the free time. I get it, you kind of have to. You almost. The second thing that I find very annoying, besides this road and these bumps, is the fact that the GoPro Media Mod will drain your battery. Let's go ahead and cut to a video that I have made where I show this in an experiment between a regular GoPro 8 and one attached to the Media Mod.
So first thing we're going to do here is load in all the video footage from the GoPro Hero 8, both regular and Media Mod. So first I am selecting all those from the non-Media Mod version of the GoPro footage. I think you can see where this is going with as many as I just clicked. Now we will select and load the Media Mod GoPro footage. So this should show you a very good comparison. I'm getting almost 20 to 30 minutes more footage using a non-Media Modded GoPro than one with the Media Mod.
Third reason I am not using the Media Mod anymore is because it is a pain in the ass to get to the battery. Once the battery dies with this thing, you have to undo it. You gotta slide out the camera from the GoPro Media Mod, put your new battery in, then you gotta take that and you gotta put it all back together, clip it back shut, and it's just a pain. All I have to do on this thing is literally pop the clip, pull the battery out, put it back in. I really think GoPro kind of screwed us all on this one. Now granted we're on the 9 already, but on the 8 I really think GoPro could have had this all built in. Now I even think the 9 has its own Media Mod. It's like, why can't you just put a input mic in if that's what you're trying to sell it as? And so those are the reasons why I do not use it on a daily basis. Now, I do have a use for it on my Shoei helmet that it's currently set up for, and that would be if I want to do some dual vlogs with my wife. I do have the ability to record the audio from her that would be coming in through my speakers into the GoPro, and I just have to, kind of clip and paste and we can have a dual conversation motovlog. So it does still have a purpose for me, but at the same time, I could do something as simple as run two audios. I could run a splitter cable to my Tascam as well if I really wanted to. I just haven't quite figured out all the logistics of that yet. The reason I haven't done that yet is because I do like for my speaker audio to be its own independent file, I guess you could say. That way, it's not kind of just picking up us at all times, because I don't want to pick up and listen to and overhear her bike and things along those lines. But there you go. I mean, those are the reasons why I have ditched the media mod. What are your guys' experience with it? Have you guys been able to utilize it? Have you noticed your battery not lasting as long? That video I showed you just previous ago, as far as how long the recording time is, that is a big factor when you are motovlogging. With that being said, though, go and drop a comment below, and as always, though, I will catch you all on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chop a foot out. See ya.